This video is on waiting waste, which includes idling people or equipment. So what does waiting waste look like in construction? So anytime you see a line of trucks or scrapers waiting to be loaded, that means they're waiting and you have waste there. Crews waiting for pipe inspection or inspector to arrive, that's waiting waste. Idling of equipment while one worker does his work or is searching for tools. Broken down equipment results in waiting waste. Crews that are waiting to be instructed on what to do next can result in that as well. So what typically causes waiting waste? So faulty or inadequate equipment. So if equipment's not working correctly, then that can result in waste. If it's inadequate for the task, so it's too hard, it won't cut right, or the tools aren't good, that can result in waste. Failing to perform quality inspections on maintenance or equipment can result in a failure of the equipment, resulting in waiting waste. Poorly maintained or organized work sites. This includes large inventories and rough terrain. And so if it's not done well, or the site's rough, or we have to look through things, all of those type of things can cause us to have to wait. Trade stacking. So that means we have so many trades in one area that we have to stop, wait for somebody to go through, and then start again. And a lot of that's general contractor's fault, but a lot of it we can avoid on our own too. Starting work before all your ducks in a row. So we're starting the work, but we don't have the right plan, survey, materials, permits, trench boxes, tools, etc. So you go out on a job, you got to make sure you have all the tools you need before you get going, or else you may end up waiting. Unreliable suppliers or subcontractors. So if our suppliers aren't reliable and they don't have things out when we ask them, when we give them advance, that could result in waiting waste. If we're not 3Sing, that could cause waiting waste. Resulting in excess tools or parts, difficult to find tools, cluttered connexes, or unorganized toolboxes. So not 3Sing and not inventorying what's on the job every day could result in waiting. Too many trucks to load, too few trucks to load. So an imbalanced crew can result in waiting waste. Employees have been taught to rely on supervision instead of solving problems on their own. So if they have to wait for somebody to help them solve a problem because they don't know how and we haven't taught them how, that results in waiting waste as well. Trucks or scrapers that aren't able to maintain a steady pace, resulting in clumping. So we talked about this earlier, but if a bunch of trucks come on the job all at once and now they have to wait on one another, that results in waiting waste as well. So there's a lot of factors that can contribute to it.